Question number 20. It's given. A table has 7 seats, 4 being on side facing the window. Total 7 seats are there. 4 facing window. 4 seats facing the window. And 3 being on the opposite side. 3 on the opposite side. Total 7 seats are there. In how many ways can 7 people be seated at the table? In how many ways 7 people be seated at the table is first part. Is 2 people must sit on the same side. 2 people sit on the x and y. Let's say x and y is given. Sit on same side. Sit on same side. If they sit on same side, so either they can sit facing the window, or either these 2 people can sit on opposite side. So from this, how many ways are there? Case number first, when they are sitting facing the window. So how many ways I can take? 4C, 2 ways, x and y. How many ways they can sit facing the window? 4C, 2 ways. And these two can interchange, these two can rearrange themselves in factorial 2 ways. So 4C2 into factorial 2 ways. Is it clear? 4C2 into factorial 2 ways. Now, remaining 5. How many have to make sitting arrangement for? How many? 7. So, 4C2 into factorial 2 are already settled. So, how many are remaining? Out of 7 seats, I have to fill 5 seats more. So, that can be arranged in factorial 5. Yes. When this is facing the window. Now, second case, when they are sitting on the opposite side. So, from these 3, I can choose 2. X and Y can sit on the opposite side of 3, 3, 2, and they can rearrange themselves in factorial 2 ways. And remaining 5, factorial 5 ways they can sit. So, total ways will be these plus this when they are facing the window, when they are on the opposite side. So, 4C2 into factorial 2 into factorial 5. Factorial 4 upon factorial 2 into factorial of 4 minus 2, that is factorial 2 into factorial 2 into factorial of 5 plus factorial of 3 upon factorial of 2 into factorial of 3 minus 2, that is factorial 1 into factorial 2 into factorial of 5. Is it clear? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 2 into 2. This get answered. 3 to the 6, and this 2, factorial 2 also you can write 2 only. 3 to the 6 to the 12, 12 5 is the 60. 12 5 is the 60, 60 for the 240, 246 is the. 1 minute, I have a mistake somewhere. I have to check. 4C2 into factorial 2 into factorial 5 and correct. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 is the 60, 64 is the 240, 240 into 6. That is 6 for the 24, 1440. Plus factorial 3, that I am writing 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1. 2 to cancel. 3 to the 6, 6 5 is 30, 34 the 120, 123 is 360 to the 72. So this is 72. So 1440 plus 720. So you will get 2880. Answer is what? 2880. When x and y sit on the same side. Is it clear? Now second part. Now second part you can see, when x and y must sit on opposite side. X and y must sit on opposite side. How will you do? So if 4C1, 1 will sit this side. 3C1, 4C1 into 3C1, or anything you can take 4C1 into 3C1 from this one, or from this one or from this one, both will be same only. So I have to take 4C1 into 3C1 into these two can arrange themselves in factorial two ways. Remaining how many are there? One is facing the window, one is facing the opposite side. So these that can be arranged in factorial two ways. Both they can arrange themselves in factorial two ways. Remaining 5 can arrange themselves in factorial 5 ways. So 4c1 factorial 4 upon factorial 1 into factorial 4 minus 1 3 into factorial of 3 upon factorial of 1 into factorial of 3 minus 1, that is 2 into factorial of 2 into 5 into 4 into factorial of 3. I am stopping. So factorial 3 get cancelled. Factorial 2 get cancelled. Factorial 4, I am writing 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 into 4 upon 1 only. So 4 is 12, 12 is 24 into 3 is 6 into 5 is 20. So 24 into 1. So we will get answer 2008. I have done mistake in first part. I have done like required number of ways we did total 1440 plus 720. That was 2160. I have written 2880 by mistake because already I have solved. So 2160 was the answer for first part. I have done mistake in adding 1440 plus 720, that is 2160. In this part it was 2880. I have solved. Is it clear? Now, third part you can see. Third part you can see. If 3 people must sit on the side facing the window, X, Y, Z must sit on the side facing the window. So from four seats are there facing the window. So from these I have to choose 4C, 3. Is it clear? 4C, 3 into these 3 can arrange themselves in factorial 3 ways. Total 7 seats are there. Minus 3 are gone. So total how many are left? 4. That can rearrange themselves in factorial 4 ways. 4C3 into factorial 3 into 4. 4C3 you will find, that is 4. It is 3 into 2. That is 6 and 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 into 24. Answer is 576. Ways are there when 3 people X, Y and Z must sit on the side facing the window. Thank you.